Why you need 5 billion Galaxy Heroes coins now? Welcome to our channel and kindly subscribe in order not to miss our new videos. Disclaimer: the opinions expressed here are not investment advice and are only provided for informative reasons. You should always conduct your research before making any decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Those who decided to invest in this coin earlier have already received a 400% return in the last 3 months. 5 billion Galaxy Heroes coins will be worth more than $170,000 if the Galaxy Heroes coin ever tries to reach the current price of the Shiba Inu coin. Before I explain what GHC is all about, let's take a look at the coin's future value to see if it's worthwhile to invest in and how much it costs to buy 5 billion GHC. Please keep in mind that even if you only have 200 million GHC coins, you can still make a lot of money if you hold them for 5 to 10 years. A $170 investment today will yield more than 5 billion GHC coins, and 1 billion GHC will be worth $170,000 or $1,700,000 in 5 years, and more than $17 million if the coin ever only has 2 zeros. Currently, GHC is represented by a 7-digit code. With a live market cap of $34,192,530, CoinMarketCap is currently ranked number 691. Many major exchanges have yet to list Galaxy Heroes coin, but its value will rise as more exchanges list GHC coins. The top centralized exchanges, CEX, that accept the $GHC token include Hotbit, Bitmart, and BrookX. The token will be listed on Binance and Coinbase in the future, according to the project's roadmap. Galaxy Heroes coin will work with Elon Musk's SpaceX and Marvel Studios to establish itself as the most important NFT marketplace on BSC. The protocol's first phase focuses on superhero NFTs, GameFi, and an NFT marketplace, with the ultimate goal of supporting Elon Musk's SpaceX research development. The protocol's ultimate goal as the NFT GameFi industry grows is to collaborate on NFT projects and film production with Marvel Studios. Galaxy Heroes is a superhero-themed gaming platform powered by the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, non-fungible token, NFT, protocol, BSC. What are Galaxy Heroes coins, and why must we keep them for so long? Galaxy Heroes coin began as a fan-created token aimed at other superhero fans. GHC uses the Binance Smart Chain as its network, allowing it to offer one of the lowest gas fees available. A hero is required for a Galaxy Hero. Galaxy Heroes coin will appeal to fans of superheroes. Galaxy NFTs, a full farm, NFT platforms, and a gaming app are all on the horizon. The developer has been completely doxxed and intends to give back to his community by bringing in strong members. As a result, he plans to donate 5% of his NFT sales to his community. The protocol has been linked to the Ethereum network since its October launch, allowing it to reach a large number of investors while providing one of the best decentralized finance (DeFi) experiences available. The NFT GameFi platform intends to connect the Solana and Cardano networks in the future. By leveraging the GHC ecosystem's unique features, such as its non-fungible token, NFT, marketplace, staking, gaming, and more, users will be able to perform a variety of tasks across multiple chains. If you don't want to miss our next video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you kindly.